And himself is in the house. Amthathekele lithuba ngibingelele babo Sikhakhane abalaleli bakhona.
Baba Kumbi ngibonge kakhulu ngibingelele ngibonge kakhulu ithuba ngiphinde ngibingelele ubuholi beVibe FM ngiphinde ngokukhethekile ngihloniphe ngibingele umlaleli wherever labalalele khona.
Wow. Isikhathi asikho isikhathi esincane siyagijima naku nonyaka uphelile abantu baseyindleleni bayagijima. Thini nje umyalezo wakho ngabantu abaphithizela kuyaphithizela njengamanje?
Baba Kumbi, I think it is very simple. Kufanele siqaphele ukuthi impilo is not just a short event. Impilo it's a journey and konke sikwenzayo ku accumulator ekutheni ikusasa lethu lizogcina linjani. Wise people will normally tell you ukuthi there's no miracle future. If future yethu idepende kuma decisions esiwathathile previously. And manje inkinga ke ama results ama decisions asibe sakwazi ukwakhetha. Thina sikwazi ukukhetha ama decisions, ama result bese ekhethwa I decision ayithathile. So kule speech esikhona, I would advise ukuthi umuntu take a decision ozoba happy ngayo masuthola ama results ayo.
Yangazi ke labase esephumile ama results usaqala nje khona abantu abaphuma esephuma ama results abo manje kusho ukuthi sekufanele athi I decision ayithatha ukuthi ngizokwenza kanjani ngonyaka ozayo ngo2026 ukuthi ama results abe mahle.
Hayi Baba Kumbi, abanye basenethuba uyazi ukuthi kuyiqiniso ukuthi I-intake abantu abalimele ibhedlela yakhuphuka nabangena amajeli yakhuphuka. Yeah, so kusengashintsha.
Okay.
Ngoba umuntu usaphila nje kusengashintsha lisekhona ithuba.
Yeah, usiphathele
namhlanje Baba Kumbi, we want to continue kakhulu nge-topic yethu ya last week, serving a vision corporately.
Okay.
Because sizama ukuthi have this mindset yokuthi there is no vision that can only be completed and served through one person. The laws of the earth given to us by God is that one of the first thing that God said emhlabeni was not good is for men to be alone. So we're trying to get that to sink in our belief system. Ukuthi I cannot do things alone and I cannot achieve a vision alone. And ngalesi sikhathi ke sikusona ke esikhathi esihle, sikhathi where people are sharing time with their families, their friends, their loved ones ngeindlela ezahlukile. Sifuna uku-encourage one aspect esikhulume ngayo last week. We want to isolate it and just zoom in. So last week we spoke about vision and we explained that vision is a desired future and imagined end. Sakazuguti, that future that you imagine is divided. The process of it being fully implemented starts from these four processes or four stages. 1, a vision is downloaded from God to the spirit of mankind. 2, transferred from his spirit to his mind. 3, it's communicated to others. 4, it is achieved through multiple gifts / abilities, because gifts are abilities. So one thing about Kumbi for now that I want us to focus on is the portion of planning. I know, Guti, those who study business, they can tell you that there's like almost about 4 aspects of a business leader. 1 is to be able to plan, it's to organize, to direct, and to lead. Those 4 things are very important. So, again, when you have a vision and you need to carry it out corporately, you cannot excuse yourself from planning. The reason why you need to plan is because you're approaching people who knows what they're supposed to do on the earth. And you need to influence them to see a necessity to join your cause. So being unplanned that means you're not communicating clearly. And Habakkuk, also where we read last time, says, write the vision down plainly so that who reads it might run with it. So whenever you have not shown a clear plan, people not buy into the vision. You might have money, you might have influence, but if the vision is not clear, your past success will not help you that much.
How soon do you realize ukuthi vision yakho abantu abayibambile? How ngoba there should be a certain stage la othi no ngiyabona ma when I reflect ngathi akuhambekanga kahle kule distance engizayihambela.
One of the clear indicators, Babu Kumbe, that shows you that people have taken the vision is when they act as if they own it like it's theirs. It becomes personal. For example, if we were to make an example through politics, there's a young person showing passion, right? They're given a position, Mhlambe Youth League of that party, right? They take it as if they own it. It's like it's personal to them. If a vision is not personal to someone, just know that they do not understand it. Because in a vision, you cannot contribute casually. You're going to invest or you're going to contribute through your gift, and your gift is you. So if people have not grasped the vision, you see by the level of contribution.
Khona kule vision khona izinto that are shocking ngizama ukulalela the way we are talking khona izinto that are shocking where you find ukuthi the owner of a vision is complaining ukuthi Lona has stolen my vision, is running with it, and it is now seen as a vision that is successful. Abanye abantu, they even forget ukuthi kahle where is the originality of this vision?
The vision, right? I think you're getting ahead of we're getting there, Babu Kumbi, because one, I think it needs to be clear. If we sokumula the process here to 4 stages, vision is downloaded from God to the spirit of man. You find it fascinating that you wonder how people that have not seen or have never met each other believe in the same thing. And when they got this thing or these ideas, they were not with any other person. One person might be in India, the other person is here in South Africa, but they're thinking about the same thing, similar thing. It is downloaded to their spirit. No human being owns a vision. That must be clear. And the vision is for mankind. That is the customer. Once you fail to deliver a vision, someone else will definitely run the vision, because a vision is a gift from God, providing his people. That person is just a person who is lucky to be chosen to deliver the vision to mankind. So you must never have an attitude that you own a vision. You can protect and serve the vision. That's the only thing that you can do. And the protection of the vision is to serve it faithfully, so that even those who might share the same vision will see no need not to join you. I hope so they don't want to do something different. They want to cooperate with you so that the same vision has the benefit of having too many people or many people in it, rather than them splitting up and trying to do one thing. They will rather join in order to fulfill the vision, because you can't own the vision.
No, yazi ngibuza lo mbuzo ngoba I have seen good friends fighting after omunye had unveiled a vision yakhe to the public, and it ends up being used by omunye umuntu successfully, so
Yeah.
more than the person esingathi is the bearer of a vision.
Yeah. Okay, let me make, because there's very thin line here. I need to tread carefully. So one thing, as we're saying, you have these 4 stages. It's in your spirit. You download it to your mind, and then you communicate, and then you use gifts to achieve it. That's where many people are not equipped, unfortunately, Babu Kombi. If I can hear the vision clearly, and it aligns with my gifts, it aligns with my abilities, and I have a team to execute. Maybe let me make this, just make it clear that you have companies, right, that are dealing with product A, but in the next 5 years to come, they're going to stop doing product A. They're going to move to product B. Why? They have the skills to do so. That's how people's visions, I think I'm using the wrong word here, but for the sake of our conversation today, it makes sense. But that's why people's visions are taken and served through the people effectively than even by someone who saw the vision first. It's because they were not well equipped to use the skills that are required to do that.
Ngoba la ngine experience engayithola from the 2 companies. So I've been a facilitator for these companies. I was taught ukuthi this is our vision. Make sure ukuthi when you present it, there are blank pages in between, so that lo muntu omdayiselayo, the client, must always come to you, because khona la alahleka khona, so that we will keep him and benefit as business. We will keep him and benefit from him. This person must end up not knowing yonke into. And we were doing that successfully, and we kept them because they kept on requiring for services from us.
Yes. Khona lento sike sakhuluma ngayo Babu Kombi, i-confidentiality.
Okay.
I-confidentiality is where you are not transparent for the right reasons.
Yes. Okay.
Uyabo? So for example, ngizokwenza nje into esobala njengoba sigqokile nje. Sigqoke for the right reasons. Uyabo? Uma uzophuma nje ungasambethe sekwenye into le. It communicates something. So kanjalo, when you're serving a vision, there are things that you should not communicate. So if we had time, besizobuka la, even ngisho la to the element of inviting other gifts in the vision. Because when you invite other gifts, mhlambe, just to elaborate, sizothu uhlehla kancane Babu Kombi, sikhulume about serving with corporate systems. Sakhuluma ukuthi the head is responsible for everything and communicating everything, but there are reactions, muscle reflex, that the brain triggers to certain body parts, not everywhere. And those things are not communicated to all the parts or members of the body. I just hope ukuthi kuyezwakala. For example, if kuguti uzogxoba ilahle, iliyakushisa, in a corporate system, the brain will trigger, unyawo, move instantly, right? So there are some body parts angezukuthinteka ngenxa yalonto le. So kubalekile ukuthi i-communication ayibe as per the need to fulfill the vision. Ungakhulumi noma yini noma kanjani. Uyayibona lonto le. So that's why the people in business can tell you ukuthi not all information is supposed to be shared.
Okay.
Because information is power. Yabo? But asikho lapho ke kakhulu babukhomi.
Ngicela ukudlula nje la idolo kancane nje, just few seconds. Impela sesho njalo sithi ke sonke asisizakale njengoba sifaka lama adverts sisizakala, ngenzeka ukuthi usesimeni la udinga khona usizo kodwa awazi uzophuma uyephi nalo usizo sekunikile Vibe 94.7 babo Skakana.
Yes, maybe going forward, ngifisa sibuke nje briefly le part that's very important. Planning. Silapha ku number 3, where you need to communicate with others, right? So la uJesu ku Luke chapter 14 verse 28, he teaches, this is someone with a vision, right? Uti, for which one of you, when he wants to build a tower, does not first sit down and calculate the cost if he has enough to complete it? If Jesus being God teaching such things, there's an order to fulfill a vision. Having this picture of a great tower without sitting down and calculating the cost. Cost is not necessarily money. Other version will speak about money, but money in itself, when you look at money, is value. Ability, right? Because money will exchange abilities, right? So if you look at this, it is clear that you need to sit down first. So many people do not have time to sit down and calculate the cost. Listen what it says. Otherwise, when he has laid a foundation and is not able to finish, all who observe it begin to ridicule him. That's very harsh. You have a vision, an important vision for the people, and you lay a foundation without calculating cost and not sitting down, and then all the people who sees you doing this are going to mock you. Uzoba ihlaya, because you try to do a good thing. That's where many leaders lose it. I tried. I started a business and it failed. I started a church and it failed. I wanted to do this work, but it failed. No sitting down, no calculating the cost. One of the things, Babukume, that speaks to cost the things that are going to cost you. Sometimes it's not money, it's time. You need to spend time practicing, preparing yourself for the thing that you need to be doing. Right? So in this case, you're building a tower. That means you're going to need masons. You're going to need carpenters. You're going to need plumbers. You're going to need electricians, engineers, and all of those people. So you must have a detailed plan as to where they fit. How long are they going to be working for you? You see,
and how much they worth,
and how much they are even worth. Because one thing, Babu Kumbi, that I think we need to disarm our mind as leaders of is the fact that you want to create something valuable, but you want to create with value that you will never pay for. That's cheating. You can't use an electrician for free. Because this electrician, they putting value in whatever you're building. So you can't ask it for free. Because whatever you're going to be ultimately building, it's also producing value. So it must be birthed from value. That's a principle. And one thing, Babu Kumbi, if you're going to treat people like that, they will not respect the vision. Because it shows that you yourself are not respecting it. Anyways, Nansila, the second part of it, but it presents the same idea. Utila, or verse 31, or what king, when he sets out to meet another king in battle, will not first sit down and consider whether he is strong enough with 10,000 men to encounter the one coming against him with 20,000. So you have someone now, he's a king, and this one gets very important because you want to protect everything that you own. And now you are advancing yourself against another king that can potentially kill you, take your kingdom, kill everybody, plunder you. So it does not first sit down again and calculate, I have 10,000 soldiers. Will I be able to fight with someone with 20 soldiers? And what's the end of this? This is very terrible. Okay. Or else, while the other is still far away, he sends a delegation as terms of peace. So then none of you, okay, that's another thing. So this is what the other king will do. And one thing about peace in battle, it's not really peace. Because you can't remain sovereign after you have submitted to another king. Usudluliwe vele. Yabo, ipeace yakho ukuthi yonke indlela obubusa ngayo is going to be determined by someone else. So you become a manager, not a king also. So izinto ezibalekile, that's where people lose the opportunity to serve visions because they never sat down. Whereas there's one thing that I've always communicated to myself. Mhlawumbe omunye usengangizwa ngcono manje. Uqala, I used to read books a lot. Ngithi mina I need to start greeting people. Why? Because those are my customers. Kanjani, you don't even have a business. Personality, you sell yourself through your personality. Indlela ophatha ngayo abantu, indlela ophatha ngayo abantu, bese bekubona usiphamba ngiyazi ukuthi unenhliziyo. And then lapho ke you can start izinto eziningi empilweni and people will support you. Ingakho Jesu efundisa ukuthi do not greet people of your same class. Even hypocrites, abazenzisi, babenza lonto. Greet people from everywhere. Jwayelana nabantu. Because when you start serving your vision, then people are able. Angithi la uyabona ukuthi you can be a king, you can accumulate soldiers. But if people have no interest in what you're doing, You know, like there are soldiers, especially in Takulumi Democratic area,
Yeah.
people that say, I have an army. I want to join you for this cause.
Uthole ukuthi umuntu akajoyine nje ingoba a believer in what
you're doing. Yes. Khona abantu abathi ngiyakhokhelwa lapha where I'm coming from. Athi I need a business meeting with you. That I'm willing to leave.
No.
I know Guti, you have vacancies. I don't care about vacancies. Just restructure whatever you can restructure. I want to join you for this cause. You see, so isn't a fun analysis sitting down? And one thing about planning, about your vision, Babu Kumbi Nomlaleli, it shows your weaknesses. Planning is such a big tool. I know Mhlambe statement is powerful. Planning shows your weaknesses. When it shows your weaknesses, it identifies people that are supposed to join you and skills that are supposed to join the vision. Umuntu ongaplan akazi ukuthi uyikhiphi. Akaboni.
Yena kuhlale kulungile konke.
Angithi vision iyahlupha uGumbi, ikwenza ukuthi ube motivated and inspired. But ukuba motivated and inspired kwakho will not translate to actual results. It's just a feeling, and a good feeling that you need. I was uqala vision ungekho passionate about it.
Yeah.
But that passion that you have, that drive, does not mean when you go on ground, it's gonna give you like true results.
Can I go back lena yokuthi you sell a vision yakho? One of the books engangayifunda yayikhuluma ititle yakhona yayithi The Art of War. Ikhuluma ngokuthi
Sun Tzu.
Yes. Ithi awekho ama successful battles. Awinwa abantu who are not using one of the best strategies, a deceptive strategy. Can we translate that with business and being successful ngakho?
Yes. Angithi le ncwadi kaSun Tzu kakhulu Babu Gombe, The Art of War. When it is being explained, it is universally applied. Even at work, I know, we're not obviously promoting it, but the thought that he put there, Uguti, even at work, it's aksikona gini lapana. You're in a battlefield. You can be killed. Maybe not be killed literally, but because there are missions that they follow. Their targets that they want to reach. Obviously, even like, let me use a clear example. Deception. Sometimes is to apologize, not really that you did something wrong, but you want to portray a picture of, I do not carry bad blood. You understand? So that kuzokwazi ukuthi kuqhubeke ngoba lento sometimes we call it being real. That thing is obstructive. Yabo umuntu abe real azokutshela yonke into ayicabangayo. When someone tells you everything ayicabanga, it changes a lot. So sometimes like deception is not really coming out evil.
Yes.
But it's also employing a skill of, let me remain, as Jesus will say, be wise as serpents, but be harmless as doves. Ayikho into ebalekile in the business or organization njengomuntu obukeka harmless, because if we feel like you're a threat, everybody goes on defense mode. Yabo ushayela nje into engekho.
Yeah.
And that's not a wise skill to employ as a leader. So last khuluma khona ke Babu Gumbi njoba sesivala ukuthi we must get used to calculating the cost. How much of time do I need to spend with myself? 2, how much of time do I need to spend being trained? That's a cost. Sometimes we go out for things we're not trained for. I like the fact that you just brought up Sun Tzu. you can get killed for the right cause because you've not trained yourself. I remember when he was explaining that even when the wind, you need to look at the wind. If birds come out of the jungle, try and understand the way they come out. Are they not pushed by the enemy?
So aware.
Yes, so that means you need to be strategic in your approach, understand. Whereas you find that, I remember one thing that Jesus would say, that's also part of the cost, when you're invited, make sure that you do not choose a front seat or a prominent seat. Sit there behind, so that it gives you honor when you're taking to the front, then taking from the front, going back. So it's stuff like that. And when you work on yourself, training yourself, equipping yourself, that's what's important. Be planning, because you cannot communicate. Whereas ayona yonke organization ya sekufanele ukudefend with the wrong ngesho uyena, but uyena the main leader, the main leader. Usephahlulukile wakhuluma izinto bengafanele ikhuluma. So it's stuff like that. That's the cost. Yabo uthola ukuthi uma sengikhulumile angibhedi phela, because angithi babukumbi, that's why you find that ukuthi you have spokesperson, so that the main person doesn't speak as they will. They speak according to the organization, not ngokwe personality yabo.
Yes.
Because a personality yabo might be contrary to the vision. And ilento fanele sikhumbule, no man owns a vision.
Isikhathi ke isona ke ehluphayo ngalesi isikhathi njengamanje 2 minutes past 8. Baba Skakhane, ngifisa nje ukuthatha leli thuba lokuthi ngibonge umsebenzi esiwenzile kulonyaka ka2025. I understand ukuthi ngenze ukuthi this is the last show for the year. Sizoqala kahle ngeviki lesibili uma sesivulile.
Yes.
Ngeviki lesibili so dlulisa nje leli lamathini niwashaya baqala phoqo washayeni bakithi asisho ukuthi ngawashaya
Khumekile.
yebo bese siyabonana ke ngoba kubalekile kahle hle ukuthi sikhulume before kuphume ama results ka matric aphuma mhla ka 13. So a weekend before that we need to seriously talk ngoba fanele sikwazi ukuvikela nokuvimba izinto eziza nokuphuma ama results khona ububi nobuhle. Fanele sikwazi ukuanalyze sibuke ukuthi samsiza kanjani umlaleli, wena mzali usizakala kanjani kulesimo. Awakho nje baba
Ogcina baba Gombe, it's been a lovely year. We have grown. I used to think, Oguti, when you work you grow. I know now. This platform, Vibe FM, Babu Gombe, you've given us an opportunity where we work and we grow. I've grown Gakulu. I remember one gentleman made a comment like on Facebook, Super Skakanwati, how do you prepare for all these topics? Like one person shouldn't be doing this. So it's the atmosphere of radio and being willing to learn, because you can't be a teacher if you're not learning. So sibonge nje lelo thuba, sibonge encouraging words from umlaleli, comments. Babu Gombe, it's been a lovely journey, and ngiyamkhola uNkulunkulu ukuthi next year umsebenzi ade siwenza fanele ukuthi siuhlanganise manje and put some of it in books, so that bezokwazi ukuthi umlaleli ngisho singekho emoyeni akwazi ukuthi ahlale enengcebo yolwazi, akwazi ukuthi ahlome ngalo kukho konke lokho uNkulunkulu ambizela ukuthi abe yikhona emhlabeni.
Siyabonga kakhulu, sibonge nathi i-contribution oyenzile, sibonge nasemndenini ngoba kahle hle sithi masihlezi lana kwi-radio sisuke siphuma emakhaya. There is a lot of sacrifices siyenzayo kuma families ethu nabo they understand, especially if you are in a family where your vision is being supported. Izinto osicabangayo ziyasupporteka ukwenza ukuthi nawe uthi noma usukhuluma ngaphandle kuzwakala ukuthi uyaphila. So siyabonga kakhulu, sibongela ke nakumama, sibongele nje emndenini wonke ubakambe bonus bonke na bonus ngoba leyarobheka ibonus leyarobheka. uNkulunkulu nje asibusise. Uyakhonza.
Yes baba Gumbi, ukuthi nje ngireflecta kulezi zinto ezikhulunywayo nokubonga kakhulu ekufanele sibonge. Kufanele sibonge umuntu ngabantu. But ke ngiya enkonzweni namhlanje ngiyakhuthaza kakhulu ukuthi asithina sikhonza lapha eNanda.
Okay.
And angazi ukuthi ngizokwenza njani, ngizwa nje into ukuthi iNanda safanele iphakanyiswe. Because we have so many talented, gifted people, brilliant leaders lapha. Ukuthi nje we're being suffused or being immersed under a cloud le khona njengamanje, of which can go away. So siyakhonza lapha eNanda, and fanele sibatshele futhi abalele ukuthi it's a safe area lapha ohlange kuNkululeko Road. Uzibona nje ibhodi elibhalwe lapha, irobot lethu lilodwa into qhamuka ezantsi nomqhama ngenhle emjebheni. Irobot lethu lilodwa elibhalwe FM Maranatha Ministries ilasikhonza khona. Siyongena ke thina manje ngo9 siphuma ngo12. Amen.
Cishe ngathi nisibeke thina singekho. Badinga balaleli ukubekwa bakithi.
Bathanda ukubekwa, siyabonga kakhulu.
Wathi umunye ngizokubeka kulungile kodwa ubuyilanda.
Funa ukuhle nalokho umuntu abuye ezoyiqoqa.
Okay, siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you very much.